everybody. Welcome back to episode 26 of Rattle Together, where we achieve success through respect, ambition, tenacity, trustworthiness, loyalty, and empathy. I'm Miss Burns.
My name's Ansley, and I'm Jane.
And we are all here today to do a combination episode. This is both a science project and a craft. So we've already done this. We did take one outside. Ansley completed the whole project, but it was super windy, right, Ans? And you couldn't see her final work because of the shadows. So she's going to show you basically what we're doing by showing you the end product now. This is what Ansley made. Isn't that cool, guys?
It's a boat.
You will be able to, can I take that, Ansley? And so this is it. It's really cool. It's very pretty and colorful. I don't know if you can see just how colorful it is. But this is made in a very special way, right? So the things that you're going to need for this project are colored salt. If you don't remember how to make colored salt, go back to the episode, Salt Art, and make some different colored salts. At least 3 colors.
Use salt and chalk. Any kind of salt and any kind of chalk.
Yeah. Watch the episode for the real details. Okay, you're going to need a plastic cup, a pair of scissors, yarn, glue, tape, paper, and if you're doing this project inside, something to cover the table. I covered up, you can kind of see it behind Ansley and Jane, the computer area with this like newsprint that came in one of our boxes recently of stuff we ordered. Leave it, Ans, leave it, please.
We should just like a little bit do that. So that
Just leave it because it was covering the keyboard, okay? All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is take your cup and take your string, and I did this outside, so I'm just gonna kind of show you what it looks like and explain to you what you need to do. You need to take one piece of yarn and tie it around the cup. Then you tie 4 more strands. I don't know if you can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the other string. So
and on the bottom, you're gonna knot it together.
Okay, let me get there, okay, Ans?
Okay.
Thank you, sweetie. So you want to do this because this is going to be a pendulum. It's going to swing like a pendulum, okay? The bottom of your cup, you're going to need a grown-up to do this. If you do not have grown-up permission or grown-up help, please don't do this. But the grown-up can turn the cup upside down and use the scissors to make a hole in the bottom of the cup, okay? By making a hole in the bottom of the cup, you're making a place where your sand can come out. And then you can take a piece of tape. It does not need to be duct tape. That's just what we have. It's got any kind of tape just to cover the hole up for while you're filling your cup. Okay? The next step is to
I thought it was
fill.
string.
Whoops. No. Is to fill. I'm actually gonna glue this. I'm gonna glue the yarn, see if it'll stay a little bit better. It might not, but it just keeps falling off. I'm gonna let that sit like that for a second while I talk. So I'm gonna move the colored sand over here, and I'm gonna give Jane, because it's Jane's turn, her paper and the glue. Thank you, Ansley. And Ansley, you want to tell Jane what she's going to be doing since you just got a chance to do it?
What you're going to be doing, Jane, is you're going to use the glue and make a picture.
Okay.
And then use the sand to color it.
Awesome. And now, I know you know, but we're telling everyone. And Ansley's helping, and you're helping. So, Jane, while you're doing the glue, what pattern do you want me to put the salt in the cup? What color pattern?
Probably green first.
Let Jane talk.
I would like blue first.
And then?
Pink.
And then green, right? Okay, so blue, pink, green is what I'm going to do for Jane.
I don't
That's
want
help.
green, actually.
Just blue, pink, blue, pink? All right, so I'm going to do blue, pink for Jane, going to draw a picture with her glue on the paper.
I can't remember how to draw it. It's the like circle symbol thingy. It's in Milan.
Just do your best, or do something else.
Circle? It's a circle. I wanted to make a peace sign. I made a mistake though.
Yours is beautiful, Ansley. I like the way yours came out. Your mom's gonna love it. Do you want to tell everyone?
I can't give it to her today.
Well, no, but you can keep it here and then, or you can bring it home and your conflict can keep it in his truck.
I'm gonna bring it in
Hide
my
it.
room.
You're gonna hide it in your room?
Yeah. Because then my mom won't know where it is. And then I won't have to mess with it.
That is not the piece.
So you can see I'm just pouring the salt into this cup. And that's plenty. You don't need a ton. You can see
It's
how it is.
It's backwards. This
So-
one's supposed to be there.
Oh, you're making a yin yang is what you're trying to make. Yeah, one is supposed to be here and one is supposed to be here. It's okay. We don't have other paper. Just keep going. Just make a beautiful picture. It does not, it's okay, Jane. It is okay.
I don't know what to make.
It doesn't matter. Just a design. Whatever you want. Okay?
And that's what I did. A design.
Yep. So, oh, it's like flower. Is it a flower? Look at that. She turned it into 2 flowers. Awesome, tossum. So now the reason that this project is also a science project is because a pendulum does what? Do you guys know what a pendulum does?
No.
I just realized we skipped our riddles. We'll do them in a second. We'll do the riddles at the end, okay, guys? The pendulum swings. It swings back and forth. When we get it going, it's going to be swinging. And what is making it swing? Do you guys have any ideas?
The gravity.
Gravity. So it's a physics thing. So it keeps
That is
moving
very pretty,
because
Jane.
it's going one way, but the gravity's always pulling it back. All right? So, and we're going to see the patterns that the salt makes. It's going to be really cool. Jane, just let me know when you're ready. Oh, a butterfly. This is so fancy. Girlfriend, you going crazy. This is a really elaborate glue drawing. What did you say, Ansley? Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect? Okay, I'm going to move the glue aside. Now, here's why you need the paper. It's going to get a little bit messy, but I'm not too worried about the floor because I can vacuum. I'm going to stand up. You're not going to be able to see me anymore. I'm going to take the tape off. It's going to start pouring out, and Jane's going to push. Go ahead, Jane, push it. Just push it once and let it go. Let it go. Sit back down. Sit back down. We're just going to let it go. Let gravity do its thing. See how it's spinning? Push it. Push it again. Jane, don't worry about it because when you finish it and you lift it up, you can make the salt go all over. Okay, I think we're done. It stopped moving. But you want me to hold it over here? Watch. Well, Jane, watch. So here's what we do next. Now we take this
And we shake it.
and we go like this, and we let the salt fall off. And that is Jane's picture. Wow, look at that. Do you guys see the flowers and the butterflies? So we've got Jane's art. Hold that up. And Ansley, you want to stand here and hold yours? And Ansley's artwork. 2 very beautiful and, hey, hold it up so they can see. And very different pieces of artwork. All right, that's awesome. I love it. That was a really fun thing that you can do, playing with pendulums and making art. You could also, if you wanted to just have the different colors in the pattern, on your paper, you could just paint the whole page with glue. Like take a paintbrush and glue and paint it, and let the glue, let everything stick onto it.
Can I still?
All right. I'm going to put these down so that they dry, and we're gonna do our riddles really quickly. All right, ladies, have a seat.
When we're done, I could still use that for mine.
Have a seat. Okay. I am going to lose my mind. This says low power mode. I have no idea if you could see us just then or what. So I'm really hoping, okay? Oh my goodness. I hope we make it. So our riddles. Yesterday's riddle was what goes up and never comes down. Now the girls already know the answer because this is take 2. But what were your guesses? Jane said a tree or plants growing because they never grow down. And that's true. They always grow up and they never grow down.
But it's your age. Jane.
But it's your age. It's okay.
It was your age.
Okay, why is it your age?
Because you can never grow down. You can never get younger, but you can get older.
You okay, Ansley?
Jane interrupted.
Okay. I'm sorry, Jane interrupted.
I didn't know I did.
I know. It's okay. You know what? Earlier, Ansley, you did a lot of talking, and now Jane did a lot of talking, right? So you both got turns to talk. All right, our new riddle for tomorrow is how do you make the number 1 disappear?
You don't write it?
How do you... That's a good guess. It's not right, though. So be thinking about that one for tomorrow. How do you make the number 1 disappear? All right. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends.
You want the paper that...
I know. It's okay. Ansley's reminding me that we don't have our paper that says how to contact me. But you guys know by now. I'll say it, and it's always in the description of the video. So, Ansley, do you know how? No? Jane, do you know how? What's my email stuff?
Your email is BexBurns.
Oh, it is. My school email is rburns, R-B-U-R-N-S, at kusd.org, O-R-G. So R-B-U-R-N-S at kusd.org. You can find us on Facebook by typing Rattle Together. Please stop, girls. It's making noise while I'm trying to talk. You done? Just wait. Rattle Together, you just type Rattle Together 2 words into the search bar on Facebook, or type in fb.me/Rattle Together, RATTLE TOGETHER. And you can message me there by clicking the little message button, or m.me/Rattle Together, period, RATTLE to get her, TOGETHER, period. I hope you guys are doing really well. I love you, and I miss you. Mwah.
Bye. Bye.